Greetings from Mellieħa Bay, the biggest sandy beach in Malta. So let not the size fool you, because the beach continues along that small peninsula over there around. So this is only one part of the beach, and I'm gonna show you the other one later. And the other one is also referred from the locals as Għadira Bay. However, this can be only one bay, and that's the Mellieha one, because that's the small village of Mellieha over here. But Għadira is the beach, is the small village on that side. So it's a bit of a battle name, but this part of the beach had more reviews on Google, which I assume that's why this is the real name of the beach, Mellieha Bay. And today is 20th of January 2024. Right now it's 19 degrees Celsius in the air and 16.8 degrees in the sea. Not so many people on the beach, mostly people with clothes having a walk on the Saturday, but I will be the one to take a swim, because this is Beach Adventures with Chris and we are exploring different coastal treasures around the world. And right now I'm exploring Malta! Yes! So this will be my second swim for today. I started off at Għadira Beach, a secluded beach that's around 3 kilometers away from here along the coast. So I'm going to do lots of walking today and exploring different beaches. There was some sun earlier, but now it's a bit cloudy, so that's too bad, but we will make the most out of it anyway, because still it is very good water temperature, and I look forward to this swim actually, as the sun is coming back now as well, partly. And yes, in these episodes of Malta I'm sharing one interesting fact in each of the episodes, and the fact for today is that Malta is the smallest country in EU, so it's part of the European Union. The smallest country in EU and one of the smallest in the world, and the fifth most densely populated countries in the world, if we exclude the territories like Hong Kong, Gibraltar and Macau that are overseas territories actually. But Malta is the fifth most densely populated country in the world. It has a population of 550 million, and it's a very small island. I mean, technically you can walk around the whole island in a day, if you're an experienced walker, of course, but otherwise the roads are not so flat and forward, to be fair, so you need to take a bit zigzags to achieve that. But yeah, take a look at the biggest beach, sandy beach in Malta. This is only one part of it. I'm gonna do another episode later, because this continues all the way to the end. And yes, and I found this beach to be number 3 on the top 10 list of the best beaches in Malta on one travel blog. So I mean, the bottom here is magnificent. It's only sand, only pure sand. The only downside that I can see is that it's close to the main road, at least this part of the beach. So I don't like that, to be fair. And because it's popular, it gets quite crowded during summer here. But that's not an issue on this 20th of January. Oh, I just love when the sun shines and I'm exploring here. So yeah, I think that I have visited this beach in 2010, but I don't recall because it was 14 years ago. Back then we went for a day trip. I mean, after our competitions in athletics, the last day we had a day off, so we went here with all my teammates from the athletics team of Macedonia. It was maybe not, I think it was this, or I mean it was further down, I guess, on this beach. So yeah, my memories come back to me now. But Alright, cool. Let's now enjoy with a wonderful swim here in Mellieħa Bay, Malta, the largest sandy beach on the island. Let's go! Woohoo! It's absolutely amazing. It would have been perfect if there was sun all way long, but yeah, it's still beautiful. The water is nice, almost 17 degrees in the water and 19 degrees in the air, so perfect day for exploration. Cool, then that's a wrap from Mellieha Bay in Malta on this 20th of January, Saturday. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!